I missed it. Do what SpongeBob does, Cisco. Cisco, do what SpongeBob does.
We all gotta do this. Everybody do this. Come on, Cisco.
Cisco, do it.
That's my friend.
Come on, do it.
That's my friend.
Let me see you, Mama. You do it.
Come on, mamas.
Cisco, let me see you do it.
Come on, do it with us. Get on. Come on. Scooch over. Ready?
Come closer and do it.
Come on, mamas.
Come closer and do it, Mamas. Right
Ready?
there.
Come on, let's pass it down. Wait.
Now I gotta get.
Pass it down. Ready, go.
Wait, look, wait.
The heck?
Now, Cisco, do this with me.
There you go. Do it.
1, 2, 3.
A bunch of weirdos. Man, you're gonna break something.
I almost hit the TV. That would have hurt.
Alright, game on.
Do it, mamas.
The heck?
Mamas does this. Dude, on America's Funniest Videos, this dude was doing it on the table and he's like this, and he flipped off. And the table flipped backwards.
Oh, there goes her head.
Face.
Right?
Elbow. She can take it like a man.